We got a package.
From my parentals.
Yep.
Yes!
Chocolate.
From the town of Hershey's, Pennsylvania.
Yep, they're very impressed with Hershey, Pennsylvania.
Which one is mine and which one is yours?
Gee, I wonder. Ooh, raspberry. Nice.
This is awesome. Thank you so much!
We're having some very peaceful days for the rest of our spring break. John's doing some yard work, and I am finally getting to make use of my backyard and my new lounge chair, and this summer I'm going to be tan. Coco loves swimming so much that we got her a little kiddie pool, and it's pink. We also finally got a table for the entranceway, so I'm really excited. Trying to finish the house. I went to Starbucks a little earlier and read some. John is rereading the Aragon series, and I am working my way through A Song of Ice and Fire. Almost done with the 4th book. Very exciting things are happening, and I can't tell anyone about it because most people I know haven't read the books, they're just watching the series, so I can't say anything. But I'm kind of freaking out a little bit. So yeah. Time to go home and give our dog her new pool.
And finally, my entryway has a table. Can you guys hear that? Our windows are open. We can't hear our TV because our neighbor's music is so loud. I don't understand people like this, like how you be that inconsiderate. And on an entirely unrelated note, how does one tell their neighbors to shut up, or at least shut up their music?
It's raining. Thunderstorms are coming in North Carolina. East Coast, basically. And I am barbecuing chicken with my shirt off. How does one barbecue in a thunderstorm with an umbrella? And not just an umbrella, but with trees also. Totally safe. Umbrella, tree, barbecue. It'll work. This is why I teach. I love giving knowledge to others. Let's look at this chicken. Ooh. That's right. We have put a little sesame seed oil on the top, some salt and pepper, and a little garlic. And they were frozen when I put them in, so we have to kind of thaw them. But they're turning out quite nicely. It'd be really cool if it was, lightning. It would add some coolness to this thunderstorm. I think so. Beautiful. Tornado watch. If only I had my barbecue.
We're under a tornado warning because a tornado struck down a few minutes away. And so we're all downstairs. Scary. We're all huddled in a computer lab with all the walls are all interior walls. So if you don't hear from me, you probably know what happened. Alright, we are not dead. But the weather is not great, and apparently tomorrow it's supposed to be way worse. Yay! I should have known. I started this morning off with like the worst migraine, and I spent most of my day curled up and teaching from my chair. We are attempting our trek home. We'll see how it goes. This isn't ominous at all.
My eyes!
This is great. It's fine. My house is that way.
Really, really cool.
Please don't go that way.
We are where all the lighting is.
Yeah. This is, this and what is coming tomorrow is the storm that's been kind of wiping its way across the United States. So, good times.
We couldn't even see out of our windshield. And that was just a normal rain.
Our house looks great. That's how much water is coming off of our roof right now.
And this little girl's gotta go pee. I know you waited all day.
Ah, it's not really raining anymore. Let's go. Let's go.
She has to run around for a second before she realizes she has to pee. This in tornado weather. My husband playing with his puppy. 6'5" man in lightning playing with the puppy. Hey guys, it is finally Friday, and that means that there has been a little bit of a lapse in our vlogging in the last few days. There's really no big reason for that except that I have had a migraine the past couple of days, and I mean, Tuesday with all that weather was insane. Wednesday was supposed to be even worse, but I woke up that morning and about half an hour into being up, I started to get kind of my migraine symptoms, and sometimes I'll just kind of push through like I did on Tuesday. This time, it did not work. I got to school and sat down and immediately texted the office and asked them to get a sub, said I needed to leave as soon as possible. John drove me home. I barely walked in the door in time to go throw up, and I spent all day just miserable in bed. I didn't feel better at all day. And I was constantly, like, every time my phone beeped, I had to check it to see if it was a tornado warning because we were expecting to get, like, massively hit. Normally I sleep for, like, 3 hours and my migraines will go away. This one just would not go away. So I spent all day Wednesday being sick. I woke up on Thursday and wasn't any better, so I had to take Thursday off too. I finally made it back to work today. I still don't feel great. I feel really exhausted and just that kind of aura-y thing you get with migraines. It's like fading, but it's still present, like in my periphery almost. But yeah, I managed to go back to school. I missed my students. I was kind of bored without them. I like them a little bit. Now it's Friday. We're gonna relax and have dinner and chill. And tomorrow at noon, we're gonna go see Spider-Man. So, and it's teacher appreciation next week. Yay! You have to appreciate me. Ha! But yeah, that's all for this vlog this week. I know it's been really random and with long lapses, but that's what it is. Like the video, thumbs up if you enjoyed it, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. We are jumping in subscribers and I'm really excited. So, bye. See you next week.